Isohyetal method. This is a third method in average depth of precipitation calculation. You can see on the screen that picture is shows the rain gauge stations will be connected with a line as per the contour heights. It looks like the contours. It is probably the most accurate method for determination of average depth of rainfall over a large basin and provided a means of considering the orographic, mountain effect. In this method, the station and rainfall values are plotted on a map to a suitable scale. Then the contours of equal precipitation, that is isoheights, are drawn. In constructing the isoheightal maps, full use of orographic effects of elevation on rainfall and storm movements can be made so that the final map may represent a more realistic pattern of rainfall. Isoheights are the contours of equal rainfall. Procedure to calculate the average method with the isoheightal method. The procedure is plot rainfall at each station, prepare isoheightal map of the area enclosed. Areas between successive isoheights are measured by means of planimeter. Each of these areas is multiplied by the average rainfall intensity between the successive isoheights. Average rainfall is determined from the following relation. The equation you can see on the screen, P average is equal to A1 and in the bracket P1 plus P2 divided by 2, like this: A1, A2, A3 set of A n minus 1 whole divided by A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A n. P average is equal to summation A and P1 plus P2 divided by 2 whole divided by summation A. So P is equal to summation of area between two adjacent isoheights into mean of the two isoheight values whole divided by total area of the catchment. This is how we need to follow the procedure for calculating average rainfall with the isoheightal method. Advantages. Advantages of isoheightal method is it is the most accurate method when stations are large in number. Second is it is used by an experienced analyst. And the third is it enables interpretation of all available data. Thank you.